Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth reviews of the latest products. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best outdoor shuffleboard court on the market. The GoSports Shuffleboard and Curling 2-in-1 board game. This versatile game set promises hours of fun for families, parties, and more. Let's explore why this might be your next favorite addition to your outdoor game collection. At its core, the GoSports Shuffleboard and Curling 2-in-1 board game offers the best of both worlds. Premium tabletop shuffleboard on one side and exciting curling action on the other. Crafted from solid wood, this game board ensures a smooth and durable playing surface, unlike cheaper alternatives that use rolled-up paper. It comes equipped with 8 sliding rollers that mimic the feel of original shuffleboard and curling courts, complete with included rules for both games. For those looking for options, it's available in 2 sizes: a classic tabletop version that's compact and portable, and a giant 6-foot size for those who want to supersize their game experience. This makes it perfect for game nights, backyard BBQs, or even competitive play with friends and family. Let's talk about build quality. The GoSports board is not just about fun, it's about durability. Made from solid wood, it ensures a stable and level playing surface, essential for both shuffleboard and curling. The craftsmanship shines through, offering a premium feel that stands out compared to other flimsier options on the market. The design is thoughtful, too. The game board measures 45 inches by 13 inches, providing ample space for strategic gameplay while remaining manageable enough for indoor or outdoor setups. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, the board's design caters to all skill levels. From family game nights to friendly tournaments, the board accommodates 2 to 4 players, making it a versatile choice for any gathering. Its portability means you can take the fun wherever you go, whether it's to a friend's house or on vacation. Comparing the GoSports Shuffleboard and Curling 2-in-1 board game to other options reveals its exceptional value. While some competitors use cheaper materials or compromise on build quality, GoSports prioritizes both fun and durability. If you're looking for a game that combines classic shuffleboard with the thrill of curling, this product delivers without breaking the bank. Its solid wood construction and thoughtful design make it a standout choice in the crowded market of outdoor games. In conclusion, the GoSports Shuffleboard and Curling 2-in-1 board game earns its reputation as one of the best outdoor shuffleboard courts available today. Whether you're a casual player or a dedicated enthusiast, its blend of quality, versatility, and fun makes it a worthwhile investment. With solid reviews backing its performance and a competitive price point, it's easy to see why this game board is a favorite among families and friends alike. If you're interested in purchasing one for yourself or learning more, check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and insights into the products you love. Thanks for watching.